the pain, the aching, you know, was getting worse and worse. And I thought to myself, I don't want to leave it until I get to the point where it's inhibiting me. My name's Andy, I'm 62, I'm married, I have 3 children, 5 grandchildren. I used to play rugby league, and that's how I did my knee, actually. It's got significantly worse in the last 5 years before I had the operation. I had the operation, no problems at all. You know, you're in safe hands. These people know what they're doing. To those guys, it's just another day in the office. Put yourself in their hands and everything will turn out okay. And as it did, everything did turn out okay. James did a fantastic job and I'm over the moon with the results.